How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm finally going to answer on how can you change switches on the HyperX Alloy Origin 60. Now, I'm going to be referring through the official response of HyperX. And most people ask, can you change the switches on the Alloy Origin? Now, this is the official response from HyperX Gaming. Basically, you could do this, but it's not hot swappable. So what that means is that you have to do a little bit of tinkering in order to achieve this. Basically, the keyboard don't come with the hot swappable PCBs. So in order to change the switch, you have to open up the actual keyboard, desolder the switch, and solder a new one in its place. However, HyperX switches that come with your keyboard are not sold separately, and opening up the keyboard would void the manufacturer's warranty. So it's a little bit of process in order to do this. So if you want to do a little bit of tinkering, I could go ahead and suggest this, but if you're not tech savvy or you don't have a soldering kit, then it's not recommended. And so guys, hopefully this answers the question. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.